Hey man, wanna go get some popsicles? Yeah, why not, man? Let's go. Oh, were they taking my popsicles? I gotta go. Let's get a car. Alright. What? Why did it take us like 12 minutes to get to your freaking... Where is the freezer? This is the freaking freezer, you idiot. Why do you need a freezer this big? I don't know, I don't even remember this being installed. I guess it was just here from the previous owners. I don't know, man. Why the heck is it so big? I don't know. There's a giant floating eyeball that I'm trying to get help from, so I might have to mess with him. You go with him because you have never been here before. Alright, let's go. Alright, now what the heck? What the heck is this freaking thing? Who are you? What the heck is this dang thing? It keeps on just screaming a bunch of crap. I can't even understand what it's trying to say to me right now. I don't know freaking clue. What do you think we should do to it? What the heck was that? Oh, sniper rifle malfunction sometimes, or shooting at the eyeball. I have no clue. I have no freaking clue. Alright, what are we gonna do about this dang thing? I don't know. We might just have to, you know, have something. There's a freaking alien in the dang freezer! Stop shooting! Stop! What the heck is up with this thing? Okay. Now, what the heck are we gonna do about him? I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. We gotta make sure he doesn't kill anybody now, because he's freaking firing rifles at us right now. I think we should just kill him, honestly. Just get rid of him right now. Oh, we could do that. Could do that. Yeah, I think we will. I'm gonna get up to him and just stab him in the neck. Alright. Yep, you can just do it. Just do it already. Get it over with. Why is he screaming now? What the heck is he doing? Hey! Okay, I'm gonna continue the plan. I think it was an accident. No, what? I wasn't. No, don't kill me. No. Oh, thank. I'm alive. Whatever, I'm gonna go get the popsicles now.